Let me tell you why this is my favorite product in the entire Zuma Nutrition product line. And I think once you understand what this formula actually does, it'll become one of your most confident sells. This is our Complete Amino Acid Complex. And the reason I love it so much is because amino acids are one of the most fundamental and most overlooked nutrients in the modern health space. People are obsessed with protein. They talk about vitamins and minerals, but amino acids, the actual building blocks of protein that protein gets broken into, rarely get the attention they deserve. Here's the foundational truth. Amino acids are the body's most fundamental biochemical structure. Next to water, protein makes up the largest part of the body's weight. And protein is made of amino acids. Every cell structure, every bone, muscle, tendon, internal organ, nails, hair, enzymes, collagen, they all require amino acids as their building blocks. The brain uses amino acids to produce neurotransmitters. The immune system uses them to synthesize new cells and mount an immune response. The body uses them to produce collagen, repair tissue, regenerate energy, regulate metabolism. There is almost no system in the body that doesn't depend on an adequate amino acid supply. And here's what most people don't know. Amino acid deficiency is one of the most common and least diagnosed nutritional deficiencies in the world. Poor diet, gut inflammation, digestive issues, stress, and aging all interfere with the body's ability to digest and absorb protein properly. You can eat steak every day and still be running low on the amino acids you need because your gut isn't breaking down that protein efficiently. Now let me put this in context that every customer will immediately understand. Because most people's reference point for amino acids is either protein powders or BCAAs, branched chain amino acids. Protein powders are a multi-billion-dollar industry built on a pretty simple idea. Give your body protein and it'll break it down into amino acids. And that works if your digestion is functioning optimally. But here's the reality. Most people's digestion is not functioning optimally, and they mix these protein powders with sugary concoctions, and digestion is inhibited. Low stomach acid, enzyme deficiencies, leaky gut. There's a ton of reasons why protein digestion isn't optimal. You're basically paying for protein your body can't fully use, that's mixed with gums and fillers. And on top of that, most protein powders are loaded with artificial sweeteners, emulsifiers, flavoring agents, and fillers. The industry has trained consumers to associate amino acid supplementation with something that tastes like a chocolate milkshake. That's not nutrition, that's marketing. BCAAs are a step in the right direction. They give you specific amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, in a free form that absorbs quickly. And they're popular for a reason. But just taking branched chain amino acids is a fraction of the complete picture. Essential amino acid supplements are better, 9 essential amino acids, but they're still incomplete. Our complete amino acid complex is in a different category entirely. All 20 amino acids, free form, micronized to 99% plus bioavailability. No digestion required. They enter the bloodstream rapidly, available for muscle repair, collagen synthesis, neurotransmitter production, and immune function almost immediately after taking them. And for customers who have compromised gut health, this is actually one of the most important products in our entire line for them. If someone's gut is inflamed, if they have SIBO, candida overgrowth, leaky gut, any kind of digestive compromise, their ability to digest and absorb protein from food is significantly impaired. Amino acids bypass digestion entirely. They don't need a healthy gut to be absorbed. For that customer, this isn't just a convenience. It's a genuinely therapeutic solution that supports their nutritional needs while their gut is healing. No artificial sweeteners, no fillers. We don't do fillers in any of our products. No chocolate flavoring. Just the purest, most bioavailable form of the most fundamental building blocks in the human body. This is taking amino acid science to a completely different level. Now, let's talk about what makes our formula exceptional, because most amino acid supplements on the market are not worth taking. The vast majority of amino acid supplements are cheaply manufactured overseas, many of them in China, and they use the wrong forms of certain amino acids, particularly the aromatic and sulfur-based ones, which means the body can't absorb or utilize them properly. Our complete amino acid complex was developed with one specific goal: to create the highest quality amino acid complex on the US market. Here's what makes it different. Our formula delivers all 20 amino acids your body needs, 9 essential amino acids and 11 non-essential amino acids, all derived from organic vegetables. It uses free-form micronized capsules, meaning the amino acids are already in their smallest, most bioavailable form, no digestion required. They go straight to work. This is fundamentally different from eating a protein shake or a piece of chicken, which require extensive digestive work before amino acids become available. Our formula bypasses all of that. This is a pharmaceutical-grade amino acid blend, the type of formula that has traditionally been used in clinical and medical settings to help patients rebuild muscle and soft tissue post-surgery or injury. This clinical pedigree is the same thread that runs through everything Richard developed. Let me walk you through what this formula may support. First off, collagen synthesis, and this is one of the most important and least understood benefits. As you know, collagen supplements are everywhere right now. But here's what most brands don't tell you. Your body cannot absorb collagen whole. It breaks it down into amino acids and then rebuilds collagen from scratch using those amino acids, which means what actually matters is whether your body has the specific amino acids it needs for collagen synthesis, primarily glycine, L-proline, and L-lysine. Our formula has all three in the right forms and ratios. This is the collagen supplement conversation that nobody is having, and it's a huge sales opportunity. When amino acids are immediately bioavailable to your body, it can repair and build muscle tissue efficiently. This is why I personally take this pre-workout on an empty stomach. Energy and endurance difference is noticeable. Cognitive function and neurotransmitter balance are another benefit. Amino acids like tryptophan, tyrosine, and histidine, and arginine are a few of the raw materials the brain uses to produce serotonin, dopamine, and other critical neurotransmitters. Most people chasing mood and focus supplements don't realize they may simply be amino acid deficient. Next up, joint and soft tissue health. Glycine and proline are directly involved in collagen production for joints, tendons, and connective tissue. This is why the formula resonates so deeply with customers dealing with joint discomfort or recovering from an injury. Lastly, immune health. Amino acids fuel the immune response directly. They are literally the building blocks for new immune cells. For your customers, this is a product for almost everyone. Athletes and active people wanting to recover faster and build lean muscle. Anyone over 40 noticing changes in skin, hair, joints, or muscle. Anyone who has digestive issues and is worried about compromised protein absorption. Anyone taking collagen supplements who actually wants to give their body what it really needs to build collagen optimally. Anyone with compromised gut health and who struggles to absorb nutrients from food. And honestly, anyone who eats a standard modern diet that isn't sure they're getting everything they need. I take this formula every morning alongside our fulvic acid and B complex, and the combination of those three products represents what I consider the ultimate daily foundation stack. Minerals, B vitamins, amino acids together give the body everything it needs at a cellular level to function optimally. This is one of those products that once a customer understands what amino acids actually do, the sale makes itself.